you think I took. You think I bled you dry, but I only gave you what you begged for. A king to kill your doubt, a fist to crush your fear, a god in velvet and blood. I was Caesar when the mob cried justice. I was Stalin when the frost came for your bread. I was every Genghis, every Napoleon, because you prayed for me, because you needed me to do what you couldn't. So kiss the ring, raise the throne, worship the mirror of your broken soul. You made me king, you made me God. The fire, the fang, the holy fraud. You wanted this to be ruled, to be hushed, to hand over your will and say it was just. I'm not the monster, I'm the mask you asked for, and I'll wear it well. You hide your hunger in prayer, but I feed it with law. You want the gold without the war, the crown without the blood, so I spill it for you. I feed and you feast, I conquer and you sing. You made me with every vote, every cheer, every silence in the dark when they came for someone else. So kiss the ring, raise your hands, bow before the one who understands. You wanted sin with sacred skin, the wolf in robes, the flame within. I carry your shadow, I drink your guilt, and build your heaven from the bones you spilt. You call me Dracula, but I am no myth. I am your father, your president, your mirror, your myth. I never died, I never slept. You just changed the name each time I left. So kiss the ring.